Hello fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here we will be exploring the fascinating world of cloud computing. Today I have some incredible news to share with you. AWS has just announced an amazing promotion, a whopping 50% discount on their associate level certifications. So now you might be wondering which certification fall under the associate level. Well, AWS currently offers three associate level certifications: AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. This certification basically validates your ability to design and deploy scalable, fault-tolerant systems on AWS. It is ideal for individuals involved in designing and architecting applications on the AWS platform. The second they have is AWS Certified Developer Associate. That is the certification which focuses on your expertise in developing and maintaining AWS-based applications. If you're a developer who want to showcase your skills in building applications on AWS, this certification is the right choice for you. And if you want to do the SysOps Administrator Associate certification, this will validate your technical expertise in deploying, managing, and operating scalable systems on AWS. So it is something like if you want to do the DevOps job, then you can go for the developer or the SysOps administrator. So next, let me share with you the terms and conditions. Here you can see if you are at least 18 years of age, you belong to US or Canada, then you have to attend some webinars. That is not a long webinar, that is 2 to 3 hour long webinar which you have to take. And when you take that webinar, you will get the discount voucher, and that voucher will have some expiration date on the voucher, so you have to take the exam within that expiration date, and you will receive that. If we look into the day when you will be receiving that, it will be delivered to you with 15 working days after you take that exam webinar. The voucher can only be used to take any associate level certification. It will not be used for professional or cloud practitioner level. Offer is limited to only 50% off exam discount per individual while supplies last. So they have a limited number of exam vouchers, so you have to be the first. You have to be in the hurry to take that exam, to take that webinar and get that discount. Otherwise, you will not get that. Offer cannot be combined with any other offer. So if you have some other offers like discount if you are previously certified, so for example, if you are already certified, you get a 50% discount voucher by AWS by default, and that cannot be combined with this offer, so you can only avail one of the 50% discount offer. So 50% discount offer are only applicable towards exams scheduled through Pearson. You cannot use that for some other exam scheduler. All rescheduled exams must follow the AWS rescheduling and retake policies on our website, so you can read them on their website for further details. Individuals may reschedule the original exam on or before the voucher code expiration date of July 30. So you can use that voucher before 30th of July 2023. You cannot use that after that. You can find general AWS certification policies, so this you can read further. Offer is not transferable, so you cannot transfer it to some other person. You cannot sell that discount voucher. Next, you have to follow their terms and conditions. The expiration date may not be extended, so you should be prepared. You can prepare in 1 month. I have prepared for that, so it is not a great it is not something that is very difficult. Vouchers may not be redeemed for cash. You cannot get cash in terms of that voucher. Vouchers are valid only in the country of issuance, so you can only belong to US or Canada if you want to avail this voucher. Next, we have neither Pearson or nor authorized testing centers are responsible for lost or stolen vouchers, so you are responsible for your voucher. You do not have to share that with some other person, and they are not refundable. Next, I will add the link for the vouchers in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, and hope you have liked that video. Subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.